I wanted to do a quick video of me rolling my Nvidia October 10th $197.50 call. As you can see here at the bottom of the screen, I've got a cost basis of 63.30 and it's at 62.86. It's at 100% and it's expiring today in the next 50 minutes. I could let this expire and then open a new covered call on Monday, but I want to roll the position. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Click on the roll position. And then we want to select October 17th, which is 7 days out. And we're looking at the calls, which is the left-hand side. If I go, let's say, for example, to the 197.50, you can see here we got a mid price of $96. What we're going to do, if we scroll up, we're going to buy back the 197.50 call expiring today, and we're going to sell to open a brand new position, the 197.50 call. Let me roll this option and let's see where we get filled at. We got filled at 92 cents net credit. Again, we bought back the Nvidia October 10th call and we sold to open a brand new one, October 17th, 197.50. And I hope you like this video and I'll catch you guys in the next one.